are going to compare numbers. How to compare the numbers? We use greater than, less than and equal to sign to compare the numbers. Children, we know how to count the objects. First, let us count the number of apples. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, we have 5 apples on one side and 2 apples on the other side. Now, we know which is more and which is less. Here, 5 apples are more and 2 apples are less. We know this already. We have done circling the smaller number and greater number. So we can say that 5 is greater number and 2 is smaller number. Now we can see a crocodile. Here we have a crocodile, and do you know, children, this crocodile is very greedy. Greedy means it wants to eat more. So always it will open the mouth where there are more things. Now here we can see it is facing towards 5 apples. Now that means 5 is more. It is a greater number. And you can see the red sign, that is the greater than sign, which we have to use for greater number. Now how to read this? 5 is greater than 2. What is this? T-H-A-N. We pronounce it as than, not tan, than. T-H-A-N, than. So 5 is greater than 2. Here we have 3 ice creams and on the other side 6 ice creams. 3 and 6. Which is more? 3 or 6? So we can say that 6 ice creams are more and 3 ice creams are less. And we know that 3 is a smaller number and 6 is a greater number. Now let us see. Yes. Now you can see that the crocodile is facing towards the greater number. That means now we can see that 3 is smaller, 3 is less. So we can read it as 3 is less than 6. T-H-A-N, than. L-E-S-S, less. I think this is your favorite, chocolates. So let us count the chocolates. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 chocolates. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So 4 and 4. On both the sides we have 4 chocolates. Now which is more and which is less? Here both are same. That means both are equal. Now we can say that same numbers. Both are same numbers. So what sign we have to put here? Equal to sign. What sign? Equal to sign. Now we can read it as, after putting the sign, we can say that 4 is equal. E-Q-U-A-L. Equal T-O-2. 4 is equal to 4. Both are same. So we can say that 4 is equal to 4. Let us count some more objects. Here we have 2 balls on one side and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Here 8 balls. So 2 and 8. Now we can find out which is less and which is more, which is greater and which is smaller. Now 2 is smaller, 8 is greater. So which sign we have to put here? Less than sign, because the crocodile will open the mouth towards the greater number. So here the mouth will be opening towards 8. That we need to remember, children, always. The mouth opening will be towards the greater number. So 2 is less than. So we have to put here less than sign, which is, it looks like L. So 2 is less than 8. So this sign we need to put here. We can read it as, after putting the sign, we read it as 2 is less than 8. Next, we have pineapple. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So how many pineapples? 7 pineapples on one side. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So 4 pineapples on other side. Here 7 and 4. Which is greater? 7. And 4 is smaller. 7 is greater number and 4 is smaller number. Now the crocodile will open towards the greater number. So what sign we need to put here? Greater than sign. The opening will be towards the greater number. Now we have to put greater than sign. So how do we read it? 7 is greater than 4. This is how we have to read. Greater. Greater. So now let us see start from beginning. How many signs we have learned today? 3 signs. That is less than, greater than, equal to. So now we understood how to put the sign for the given numbers. Thank you.